Good morning and welcome to my channel. So we'll be drawing a 2-bedroom design in Archicad. This is how we go about it. First, the size of the space is 8 by 8 meters. Is a square space. So we'll start with the slab tool. This is the slab tool. We'll change the depth of the slab. This is the slab tool. We'll change the depth of the slab to 150. Yeah, 150. You can change this to generic, so we'll change it to 150, depending on how high the building is from the ground. So we start, we draw 8 meters, 8,000, we type by 8,000, by 8,000. We continue, we draw, and then this is the slab. Let's look at it in 3D. This is how it looks. So when you are done drawing the slab, this is how it looks in 3D. Then you go back to your floor plan. Then this is the wall tool here. The wall tool. You click on it. Adjust your wall tool. This. You make the selection of this option generic structural. You change it to masonry structural. That's how it works. You can decide to leave it in whatsoever material floor section material you want to leave it as. But I usually select this as masonry block. So you leave this at 300 because that's the thickness of your finished wall when it is finished. So we draw. So start here. Continue this way. You continue to draw your wall. Still using the wall tool. You click OK. So let's see how it looks in 3D. This is how it looks in the 3D window. In the 3D window. So let's continue. So we can divide our space. You can make the entrance first. You click on Ctrl+Shift-D to divide or to move this particular wall. Click on Ctrl+Shift-D. You move it. Since we want our entrance porch to be 1,200, we type 1,200, the width of our entrance porch. So we click OK. Then we can adjust this also. Let the width be around 2.1 meter. Ctrl+Shift-D. Again, 2.1 meter. You type 2,100. Enter. Adjust this. Adjust this. And adjust this a bit by, let's say, 600. Ctrl+Shift-D. 300 first to do this, and then we adjust this by 1,007. We can make it 2.1 meters, 2,100. It's fine. So this is our space. Ctrl+Shift-D again. Adjust this to around 300 first, and then we move this by 3 meters. It's fine. 3 meters. 3,000. And adjust this to us here. Ctrl+Shift and adjust this to us here. This will be like a simple room and a parlor with a little bit of a kitchen and a small dining, just to like a small house. That's what we are trying to design here. So the next thing to do is to use to place our doors. So place our doors. We click on the door tool here. So we adjust our door. We can use this particular door. Make this use this particular door handle. Select our door handle here. Is the dot tool. We select type 3 and then we can select the handle, make it this handle 9, and then change our door frame thickness to 50 maybe 75, depending on how we want the thickness of our door frame. So when we are done with that, we adjust the surfaces. We can make this metal or iron. The metal, let's make it metal. What should we make it? Metal zinc or metal nickel, depending on what we want to do. So let's make it metal iron. So we'll click on this. We check this uniform door surfaces so that all our surfaces look the same. We can use leave this at metal, stainless steel for our handles. Then we adjust. We come to this option, the casing for the door. We add casing outside and inside. You can make it also metal iron, since that is the material for our door. So uniform, you check this box, uniform casing surface. If it's already checked, you leave it that way. And you click OK. So you place our door. You place our door. Yeah. Place it here. I'll move it towards there. Move to the end. Then we adjust it so that we leave half of the block towards here. That was like 250. You press I'll make it 250, or let's say 300. Move it by 300 towards here. So this is our door, the access to the space. Then we continue to add the door. Since we already have our adjustment, we continue to add the door on all openings that we have in the space. We have an opening here, so for the bedroom, we can add the door here. So we'll move it towards here, adjust it also by 300 because of the door, the architrave for the door. So we do that here. Also for our toilet, this is a small house design, so we are just teaching basics of how to use Archicad, not necessarily if the space is fulfilling all architecture requirements. So we come again, we place our door here. Also we do likewise, door here, adjust towards here. We change the door width to 750 because it's a toilet door. Okay. Adjust. Place our door for the kitchen also here also. Adjust this to the extreme end. We move it with this move to here. Drag it towards here. And then we adjust it to make 300. We type in 300. Then when we are done with that, we'll come to use of the opening tool, the window opening tool. When you double click on this window icon, you see the window, empty window opening tool, door opening tool rather. Click on it, click on OK, so that we can create a beam. Yeah, since our linter is 2.4, we can make our linter is 2.4, we can make the empty opening. We can make it 2.4 since our linter is 2.1 rather. So we adjust this. Adjust. Drag. Can make it also the width 2.4. So I think this is perfect. So it's time to start placing the windows. See the window under design here. The windows. Windows on that design here. So we'll go to where the windows are. So you can play double window there, double window. So come the main side hung and side hung mirror is fine. So we adjust our frame width to 100 for the window. So we had no grid. If you need to divide the window grid, you can divide it, but since we don't want to divide, or we can decide to also divide, so let's use this divided option here. So you adjust, undo, you add handles, you check this box uniform window surfaces, you change it to metal stainless steel, okay. Casing outside but no casing inside. So you can change our casing material to stucco white fine. I think this is better. And then click OK. Make this preview to work up. We can make it 50. So this is our window. Yeah, and add the window here also. Window. So we can, since our lintel is 2100, we can make this 1200. Floor to seal, we can make this 900. Since the height of our window is this, so can adjust the height of our window to, let's say, 1200. So we can have 2 windows to us here. I think this is fine. We do likewise for the for this. To do that, so that we don't have to go to the option again, we just pick parameters here, highlight this, and then use it here. 2 windows like what we have there, and then we can put a window here for our dining area. So our kitchen also, our kitchen window can be here. Kitchen, yes, it's fine. So we can just increase the height of this to around 1000 because of our backsplash for the kitchen. So make this 1200 sail to story, that is from the slab to the story, which is fine. This is perfectly okay. So we'll pick parameters for the window opening also. Pick this, adjust, so we adjust it to fit into what we want. We adjust to fit into what we want. So I think this is perfect. This is perfect. All right. So now let's see how our building looks like in front. So we are still going there. So this is how the building still looks like. These are our windows. So we can adjust this side. So now it's time to place our toilet windows. This is our visitor's toilet. This is the toilet for the bedroom. So let's do that. Yes. This is our toilet window. So we can adjust. Floor to seal 900. The height. I made the floor to seal 1000 or 1300. That will make this 700. The height. And then the width you can leave it at 900 so that we have good ventilation in the toilet instead of having a small window as we normally see in most houses. So I think this is perfect. It is fine. The window for this side can be somewhere here also. Good. Perfect. So you can adjust this and make it 50, which is perfectly okay. Right click and let's select, right click and select both by holding your shift button down, and then you, so when you are done adjusting and adding the windows, then this is okay. Let's look at how it looks in 3D. It's perfect, but still need to do something. We can adjust the material of this window and change this to 100. I like this. White. Fine. Can change it to white fine, to go white fine. Or metal. Let's make it metal steel. Stainless steel rather. Which is fine. Casing outside, we can check it. Okay. And then make the material to be stucco white fine. Stucco white fine. Yes. Stucco white fine. Perfect. think this is okay. So this is how our space is still looking like. So we can hold our door down, because if you notice, from the slab to the floor, from the floor of the door to the slab, there is still a bit of space there. So to adjust it, we can select the door tool and click on Ctrl A, and then make the seal to story 0. So this is better now. I think this is perfect. This is very perfect. So we still have something left to do. We need to add doors also. We can click on this to select parameter, add a toilet door to our toilet. Okay. Click on parameter to copy this, add an exit door to our kitchen. I think this is okay. So this is fine. So you start placing your objects, or you can leave this way. I think we should leave that for another class. So when we are done with that, we can now put our roof. So since we are using normal gable roof, we just follow the shape of the building. We continue, and then we have this. Let's say it looks in our south elevation. If it's too high, the pitch of the roof, so we adjust it to, let's say, this height. Adjust it, and then we'll come to the roof settings. We can adjust this from there also. We can make this like 600, since we are using wooden parapet for this design. So make this this is fine. 300 is fine. The pitch of the roof, we can make it 30. I think 30 is okay. 30 is fine. This is better. And then we can also adjust the edge of the roof. I think select this option, let it be vertical, straight, and then we'll drag this, and then we'll bring this. Still need to adjust some things also under model for the roof. The roof can make it as shingle gray. This we can make it white, stucco white, fine. Also the underneath stucco white, fine. I think this is perfect. So this is how to model a simple house in Archicad. This is how to model a simple house in Archicad. Do well to subscribe to my page, and if you find this tutorial useful, subscribe and also like, so that I can continue to share more posts like this. Thank you.